Contact our staff. In order to contact our staff in Autowini, first all you have to do is go to autowini.com and log in into your Autowini official account. Remember, just username and password and you're good to go. Now that you log in, just check the section where the cars are available and you can select any type of car. When you open the section, on the top left you will see there is a display here. This display is our agent in Korea. You can see his phone number so you can call them directly, or you can just click and text to them via WhatsApp. If you want to find local information about agents possibly in your country, just go to the Community tab and select Local Trade Information. Find the country you're interested and click on the country. There you will see all the information available of our agent in your country. For example, here it's Angola. But in the case that you already are in a country where an agent is available to contact you, when you go back to the selection of the car on the top left, the agent will be displayed first and followed by our staff in Korea. You will see that the display here will show the contact information for both WhatsApp and their phone number directly. Also, if you're exploring the website and would like to talk to our staff, look on the bottom right section. You will see an icon of the WhatsApp symbol following you as you scroll. If you click directly, you can contact our staff directly one more time. If you have any more questions, you can always contact our staff directly, and this is how you can do it. Thank you.
Autowini.